morning, everyone. I'm Annu from Nurturing Green. Today is 26th April 2020, Sunday, and it's been more than a month we are under lockdown. Yes, more than a month where we have not met our friends, not moved out, inside this cage, not able to see each other. I know it's I know it's one of the toughest times in the history of mankind. I was talking to my dad, and he was telling me that he or his father has not seen this in the last 100 years, and I hope my kids doesn't see that in the next 100 years also. Our friends, family, co-workers, acquaintances, many of them will die. Many of us will not have the jobs once this is over. Businesses will see their lowest and will go bankrupt. Nations will die. It's obvious to feel the pressure. It's obvious to feel depressed. How many of you guys are having the sweaty hands? How many of you are not able to sleep well? How many of you wake up in the middle of the night and not knowing what to do next? I was not able to think straight. I was not able to focus or concentrate on my business. I was not able to think what should I do next. My concentration was just moving out every time I used to get a notification on WhatsApp, and I was just clueless. I'm getting this anxiety attacks, and that's when I realized I should do what I've been preaching for the last 9 years. Yes, it's gardening. At Nurturing Green, for the last 9 years, we're bringing people closer to nature. We make people fall in love with nature and plants. Today, me and Priyanka are launching this new digital series called My Plant, My Baby, where we will bring you closer to nature and we will make you love gardening.